School is over. I am going home. What is that sound? Oh no, are you hurt?
Yes, my paw hurts.
Do not be scared. I am here.
It hurts, but you are kind.
Drink slowly. This will help you.
Thank you. I feel a little better.
This will protect your paw.
You are helping me a lot. I can stand now. That is great. Can we be friends?
Yes, I like you.
Come with me. I will show you the jungle.
I want to see it.
This is my home.
It is very beautiful.
This is a monkey. They are birds.
Birds can fly.
This is an elephant.
Elephant is big.
This is a deer.
It is quiet.
These are plants. Plants are green.
And tasty.
Let us count the stones.
1, 2, 3. This is fun!
Yes, very fun. Friends help each other.
Friends care.
This is for you.
Thank you. I love it. You are my friend.
Always. It is evening.
Time to go home.
I'll wait for you. Please come again.
I will come. Goodbye, jungle. Today was special. I loved our adventure. Let's go home now. Be kind. Help others. Please like the video and subscribe to Mirha Easy English.
See you in the next video.